Kaseng Trinamool Congress, Shen Consulate Kylleng ki jaka jong Jylla meghalaya, Thaw ki Tnad treikam. Yagani iathuh Dr. Mukul SANGMA jingiakren ki nongthoh khubor nongbah kolkata, kaba Trinamool Congress ka kadei iing kaba na bynta ki nong meghalaya. Dr. Mukul iathuh bakila room chaka TMC, namar ki yoi badai tangani kaseng kabala banyele persha ek BJP.
This whole decision that we have taken is based on the palpable feeling across the state of Meghalaya, across Northeast, and across the country. The palpable feeling of the hundreds of thousands of Congress karyakarta and other people who are aligned with the ideology and principle of this grand old party, who are anxious and seeing no ray of hope and therefore wanted an alternative. And I must be very clear in this, that this decision that we have taken is on behalf of these hundreds of thousands of karyakartas. And in response to our call of duty that we fully understand in the given democracy that we are proud of. Today, what we have decided is definitely a trendsetter for what is going to happen across the Northeast and across the rest of the country. And you will only be seeing this same trend happening in number of states from now on, because the collective desire of the people is what we are responding to, and in the best interest of the people of this great nation and this great country.
Charles Pingru, President ka AITC Meghalaya, ulong bo kermen, bada ka jingrung siya ka AITC, kinsala ban pun udlong ka jingtmu, bat ka jingang nuot jang kipad ba.
As President of the Meghalaya State Unit, I would like to convey our heartiest congratulations to the AITC as a whole, and to the Honorable Minister and President present here for arranging this press briefing so that the people of West Bengal will now be very close to our hearts as it was before. Bengal and Shillong share a very, very special place in our hearts. We have common ideas, common goals, and we hope that with the strength that the AITC has in this country, we will be able to fulfill the hopes and aspirations of the people of our state.